So here I started on some of the wiring tonight. Here's a fuse panel with how I'm running a lot of my key on power. As you can see, the battery's still out. It's sitting in the bed of the truck. Really just tearing all the wiring out that I've done in the past. I've learned a lot over the years I've been working on this thing, and really fixing to fix a lot of the wiring that I've done, redo it, put some nice relays, make everything basically just a lot cleaner. The interior is just a wreck. Like I said, I've started on the wiring, so really just been ripping stuff out, fixing my old wiring that I did years ago. I've learned a lot, but here's a quick shot of the billet switches. They turned out just really nice. I really like them. Just got to figure out how to wire them, which it's my plan for tonight, to get my wiring diagrams ready to go, so I just plug and play everything. But as you can see, it's a wreck right now. I've got wires just strung everywhere. I did manage to get the shifter off tonight. I've got the shifter cable just laying in the floorboard. It's about to come out. Basically getting everything ready for the manual valve body for the precision shifter. There's the factory shifter. This being an 03, it only has overdrive off, no tow haul. Really not too bad. 3 bolts, one up top there, one there, and one there, and then kind of play with the key on, keeping it from stopping. Basically pulling some old wiring off. That's an old harness that I had for an old rail pressure gauge that I ran a long time ago. This is a bracket for the shifter, and just some, like I said, just some random wires that are all coming out. You can see I got everything set up over there with my battery, testing some things, especially mainly for those switches. Once I get those figured out, I'll be doing a lot better. So I finally got the transmission filter back from powder coat. I actually got it back from powder coat and we melted the little spring, or actually didn't melt the spring, we melted the little plug in there that for the bypass of this filter. Thank you to Diesel Site again for fixing it for me. I had to send it back to them. I guess they've never had anybody powder coat one, but I got it mounted to my base here with the pressure gauge on it, just so I can see what line pressure is and check and see what the filter's doing. Got it all cleaned up. Like I said, got it mounted. I'm gonna work on today getting it mounted in the truck. Turned out quite nice. Again, big shout out to Diesel Site for basically fixing it for me and getting my bypass plug put back in. So the shifter is fully mounted in the truck. I got all the wiring done. I'll walk over to the driver's side here in just a second. This is the view from the passenger side. Everything's powder coated. Got my wires ran, loomed up. The only thing I don't have on there is the line going to the transmission. I'll get that in here soon, I hope. So here's a view of it from the driver's seat. Kind of come back a little bit. Kind of dark in the cab to see on the camera. Basically, that's gonna be my lockup switch, overdrive switch. Got it all wire loom. Turned out really nice. I am very happy with the way it turned out here. So basically what I did was come down here and I made 2 separate wiring harnesses for it. I have that 4-pin, basically it's a trailer connector is what it is, but I've got it wired to the shifter, so you can basically unplug the shifter and take it out without having to unwire anything. The other plug back there, the little 2-way, is for the overdrive and lockup switches. And then I've got one connector that's hidden underneath the seat for the cigarette lighter that's in this center console. This center console is out of I believe early 4th gen 10 to 12 black seat. I had a gray one out of a 3rd gen 6.7. I'm pretty sure it was 09. I think this console came out of a 10, but it's got the cigarette lighter in there. So here's where we got to tonight. Just a bunch more wiring done. Here's where I'm mounting the 2 relays behind the driver headlight here. One of them is for the starter neutral safety switch, or neutral safety switch on the precision shifter. coming into the first relay here. That'll basically allow you to start in either park or neutral, just like the factory one does. This other one back here is from a fog lights. This 03 did not come with the factory button pull out, so I got me one of these nice fancy relays, waterproof, so I went ahead and wired it in. Just got a little bit left to do. Still cleaning up here, but it's definitely getting there. I am adding the CTS2 switches to it. So I've been working with that, the little switch panel, where you can add 2 switches into your CTS2. The interior is definitely still a wreck. Still got wires hanging everywhere. I've got most of it wired, at least everything coming from the shifter under the carpet. I really just have to connect everything underneath the dash, get the new switches wired in. I've been working on the relays underneath the hood and getting everything out there power-wise hooked up. All I gotta do is run the trigger wires through the firewall and hook those up. Making progress though. And one last peek at the way the shifter turned out. God, I'm so happy when a plan comes together and that thing just looks great. I've been sitting in the passenger seat too, just playing with it. It's definitely gonna be fun. So for the past basically 2 days here, nothing but wiring. This stuff takes forever. Like I said in some other, probably earlier in this video, kind of redoing a lot of the older stuff that was on this truck that I did. Really trying to focus on cleaning it up. But I'm stopping progress tonight. My little nice heater's out, and I don't do cold very well. But here's kind of overall cleaned up. I mean, you can tell it's looking a lot cleaner. I like how it turned out. It's gonna look good. Still some more to do, but under the hood is definitely looking better and better, and more wires just hanging everywhere. Only a few of them, so like I said, there's no shot at the relays. I need to get some wire loom. I'm gonna make all that look pretty. I didn't have any big enough for all those wires here. So here's a shot at the interior. I'm kind of basically saving it for last. It's cleaned up a lot from what you've seen probably in previous videos. It looks a heck of a lot better. I got the shifter cable out. The cable going to the trans is finally out. Basically all I have really to do is finish getting these switches in, and I need to run key on power to each switch, and that should be all I have left to do here, and then I'll wire reverse lights up last. Here's a little sneak peek of a mod I've been working on.